again. It's a Rhinestones.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So as usual, I'm a little bit late getting this video out, but we've got the Madam Glam House of Mystery collection. So this is the brand new collection for October. There's 8 in this collection. We've got a couple of glittery ones, and I've got a couple of their new pressed pigment palettes. I'm going to have a play with them today. So let's quickly have a look at these gels. So this is a tortoise shell no white top coat, and it's called Fairy Dust. Look at that. It's like a milky gel with black bits and kind of dark red bits, I think, shardy bits. Quite cool, actually. I don't have anything like that. And then this is another tortoise shell no white top coat, the Moon House, and this is like a jelly orange with, again, it's got like black bits in it, but it's got a beautiful iridescent orange in that one. It's really pretty. So the last two are just gel polishes. So this is called Vibrancy, nice green for autumn and Halloween, and this is like a deep red. It's called Witching Hour. Again, fantastic for autumn and Halloween, isn't it? So I'm just going to give these a quick swatch, starting with Fairy Dust. This is one of the tortoise shell no white top coats. Yeah, it's like a milky white, and it's got bits in it, as you can see. It's got white bits in there as well. Really, really unique. I haven't seen anything like that. I've seen a lot of gels recently with bits in, but not quite like that. Or this, like I said earlier, this is like a jelly, like burnt orange kind of jelly, and this has got black bits, but it's got a beautiful little iridescent fine glitter in there. Can you see it sparkling? I really like that sparkle up against the matte black kind of bits. Fantastic for Halloween. I need to do something with that for Halloween. Right, and then the last two are just your standard creamy gel polishes. Guys, as well, I've got a brand new discount code for Madam Glam. It is bigger, it is better. My discount code is now 35%. So grab yourself a bargain with 35% off. I will leave it, I'll stick it on the screen, and I'll leave it in my description box. So definitely take advantage of that. And it is a permanent code, it's not just a one-off. Right, so lastly, we've got Witching Hour. And as usual, all these gels, they're vegan. They are HEMA-free, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, palm oil-free, yada, yada, yada. All the good stuff. So that's them all swatched. Really, really nice colours for autumn, Halloween, all year round. I love this white. I need to do something with the white and the orange. I don't end up using any of these colours today, but what I am going to do today is have a play with these pressed pigments. Been dying to have a little play with these. So there's 2 so far, but I have got a feeling there's more to come. Just showing you on the back there, these are best applied over a matte top coat. I do usually apply pigments over a matte anyway. So we've got this first one. I like this because it's got your red, your yellow, your green, your blue, which will make any colour that you need, any colour pigment you need. You can mix these, mix them with gels, mix the powders together by themselves. Lots of fun to have with these little powders. And then we've got this like neutral kind of palette with a few shimmers. I like that it's got a white as well. Very nice. So that's them 2 together. So we're going to have a play with these now. So I'm just going to use some tips today. And for my base colour, I'm using Hibiscus. No, I'm not. I'm lying. I'm using Love Energy. Very, very nice nail bed colour. I really like it. It is very similar to Hibiscus. That's why I got muddled up. It's been quite a few days since I recorded this. So I'm just going to do 1 coat, guys. I'm not even going to do 2. I really, really didn't need to. 1 coat on all those tips, and they've been cured for 30 seconds. So I'm just going to wipe the tacky layer off a couple of these, and I'm going to do just... To use these pigments, they are better to go over a white. So I'm going to use this long fine liner from Madam Glam, my favourite brush for doing things like this. And I'm just going to paint 2 French tips using Perfect White and cure them in the lamp for 30 seconds. Yeah, pigments, they just pop so much better over a white. So I'll just quickly show you doing this one nail, and I'll do the other one off camera. So that's those two little Frenchies done. So I'm just wiping the tacky layer off because I'm going to matte top coat just the white part. I don't like putting my matte top coat on tacky layers because it knackers my matte top coats. So again, using that little detailer brush, getting that matte top coat right up into the corners, just completely covering the white with the matte top coat, because this is what we're going to apply the pigments to. So I undercure my matte top coat just slightly by about 10 seconds. Instead of curing it for 30, I'll cure it for 20. So using a little fluffy brush, I'm going to start with the orange. I'm going to do an ombre. So I'm just going to put orange on the top half and yellow on the bottom half. Guys, this is the easiest way to get an ombre. If you've got the colours that you need for that particular design in a pigment, use it to do your ombre. So easy. Look at that. Top half done. No mess, no stickiness. So just clean your brush off on a dry wipe and then straight go in with the yellow straight after. No curing in between, nothing. And just give them a little sweep side to side in the middle, and they blend beautifully. And I thought these were matte, but if you look, they've got a slight little shimmer to them. I really like them. So I'm just sealing them in now with, I think I used a base coat. I wanted a little bit of a tacky layer to stick some stickers on, so I can't remember, but I think I used a base coat, or it could have been Madam Glam's top coat that leaves a tacky layer. Right, so I've pulled a few stickers out. I'm just going to use some of these little bats on the free edge of these nails to start with. I do use some more stickers later on in the video, like that haunted house. I wanted to use that, and a couple of others. Right, so again, I'm just going to show you this one nail because both of these nails are going to be the same. I'm just using some tweezers and I'm just sticking some of these bats where I wanted them, slightly on an angle, just so I could fit them on. And if you've got any little bits of stickers hanging over the edge, snip them off with some scissors, because your top coat will peel if it's not completely sealed in down the sides of your nails. So if you've got any stickers or anything hanging off the edge like that, yeah, just get some scissors, snip them, so that when it comes to top coat you can completely seal them in. Just give them a little snippety snip like that, and then I'm gonna seal them in now with a top coat. I think actually I'm lying again. I sealed them in with a base coat because I wanted these nails to be matte, so I've sealed them in with a base coat and I've cured that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And I wanted to just fill in a couple of these little gaps, so I'm using Madam Glam's black gel paint, and I'm just going to paint a little 4-pointed star. I think I did a couple of 4-pointed stars. I'll just show you doing this one. I did wipe the tacky layer off that base coat. Obviously you can't paint on a tacky layer. Wiped that tacky layer off. Just done a couple of little stars like that and a couple of little dots, just to fill in some of them gaps. I like them. So quick, so easy, and super beginner friendly. So now these are having one final matte top coat. I do think these nails looked a lot better in matte. Right, so again, I'm just going to use stickers, guys. Like I said, super beginner, easy, quick set that I think anybody could do. So she's going to get stuck there, and I'm just going to stick this haunted house on the bottom. And again, the house wasn't as big as I thought it was going to be. I wanted it higher up the nail, so I've stuck it higher up the nail where I wanted it to be. Snip them little edges off, and I'm just going to use the Madam Glam black gel paint and just paint the bottom of that nail. And I'm going to paint a little path going up to the door. I think that is a door that is slightly ajar. I think it's a door that is slightly open. So I'm just going to paint a little path. So I've cured that in the lamp for 60 seconds and I've pulled out this yellow called Sundays because it was the closest match that I had to match the colour of the windows and stuff. So I'm just going to paint that little path that I've done in the yellow. Perfect. And it just makes that sticker look just a little bit bigger and it brings it further up the nail. I think it would have looked silly just in that tiny tip of the nail, wouldn't it? So again, I've just added a couple more little bat stickers and that's that nail done. Quick matte top coat, super easy, super quick. So this is where we're at. So this next nail is just stickers, 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 super easy, keeping with the beginner friendly, easy, quick theme today. Couple of little ghosts, aren't they cute? And I did actually add off camera a 4-pointed star and a couple of little dot things to this nail as well. So that's going to get a final matte top coat. So this last I can't speak today. This last nail, I've just got some orangey yellow kind of blings, and these ones are like a black transparent charcoal kind of colour, and I'm just going to do a rhinestone placement straight up the middle of this nail, guys. One of the easiest rhinestone placements you could do, starting with the biggest in the middle, and I'm just going to alternate the colours as they go up and down the nail, getting smaller and smaller, simple as that. And I'm going to stick my caviar beads in between all those little rhinestones, and that'll be this set finished. So there we go, guys, that is them finished. Those pigments are just so easy to use. Look at that ombre. The whole set looks quite an intricate, hard set to do, when in fact they're just stickers, literally stickers. Super beginner friendly. I think anybody could smash this set. I really like them. So quick and easy. Brilliant for last minute jobbos. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. Don't forget, I've got a brand new 35% discount code. Definitely take advantage of that. Everything will be in my description box. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.